15 students who have joined. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so yeah, please join it fast so that we can start the session.
Yeah, there is a math session that is going on. That is why people have not joined yet.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening. But here there are, I think, 37 people are there. 37 participants. So I think so.
Yeah, there are many
should
people in the math session. They might join.
Okay. So math session, when the math session will be finished?
According to time, it should end at 7.
Should be completed as of now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is
But-
nearing complete. It's almost finished, I think.
Okay, I think they are joined simultaneously, math and history, right? Okay, so I think we can start, right?
Yes, sir. Please carry on.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so this is the 5 solve with us session. Okay, and please keep a notebook and paper with you so that you can solve the questions. Okay, and these things when you have to answer, then they are top bottom corner, sorry, below bottom, there will be option of enter answer. Then okay, so this is the first question. So I think you have to 4 to 5 minutes, please. And first thing, you please enter the comma separated value if there are more than one options are correct. Okay, like
Okay.
suppose 2 and 3 are correct, so 2, 3 like that. And new people who are joining, so please enter the joinpd.com, and after that entering this code CPU LHL. Okay.
Sir, can you please tell what events are referring in that options?
Events means events means, suppose you have read the question. Okay, and for this question events will occur simultaneously or not. Events means see this one, if he decides to use the same card twice, decide not to use the same card twice, then this is the event. Okay, so similarly, how many possible ways or event will be there?
Okay.
Okay, this is a type of EMQ.
So what is syllabus of quiz 2?
It will be 1 to 8, and major, maximum percent, you can say will be from 5 to 8. Major syllabus will be from 5 to 8, and whole paper contains the week 1 to 8, but most of the parts will.
Sir, hi, Venkatesh here. Sir, I have a small query. Can I ask?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir,
Okay. Sir,
hello, sir.
Yeah, please, one by one.
Oh, sir, I have a small doubt. In this question, does it have 2, 3 options as answer, or a single option?
Yeah. No. It can 2, 3, and you have to enter the answers as comma separated value. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose 2 and 3 are correct, then you have to enter like 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
sir, yes, sir, I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, I was just wanting to check, see, on the final exam on April 3rd, they have broken the examinations into different subjects for morning and evening session. As I've taken statistics 1 and Python, they are falling in the same time in the morning session. So is there a process to change it, because even during the qualifying one, it was too hectic because two papers for 2 hours, it becomes a little lengthy. Is
See,
it?
yeah, got it. But see, this such type of query, you can
Yeah, I just
mail
wanted
to.
to know where to post it and how do I
Yeah.
seek answers. Yeah.
Actually, these things are will handle by the support team actually.
Okay, so I should
Okay.
speak to support.
Yeah. You have to speak
Okay,
with support.
I just wanted to confirm where to write that. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay, there are 31 responses out of 53, 32. Let's wait for a couple of seconds.
So can you please explain, I mean, what does it mean, the order matters and order?
Yeah, I will explain first.
Okay.
Let's wait. People are answering. Okay, after that
Sure,
we will
sir.
discuss the solution also. No
Okay,
worry
sir.
about
Thank
that.
you.
Yeah. Thank you.
So I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
How can I join the presentation?
Okay. See, either on your phone or laptop, enter joinpd.com.
Okay, sir.
Okay. After that, there will be a page like you have to enter a code. So you have to enter this code, top right corner, CPU LHL. Okay. After that, you will come on this page. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. No, there is not submit button. You have to just enter the answer. Okay, the people who are not familiar with this, either on your phone or laptop, just enter joinpd.com, and after that you have to enter this code CPU LHL, and you will be on this slide.
Sir, are you going to address some of doubts from activity questions after this presentation, or in
Yeah,
between?
after this presentation, we can discuss.
Okay.
No worry about it.
Sir, this is week 5, right?
Yeah, this is week 5.
Okay.
Okay, I think there are 110 participants. So I think there should be 108 people around. Okay, 72 responses are there. 51. Okay. See, code is Gajula Karthik, code is this top right corner, CPU LHL. This top right corner, CPU LHL. Okay, I think let me see the responses. 236. Okay, 145, 245, 245, 246, 146, 146. Okay, I think There are a lot of variations actually. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 5.
Sir, actually, the question was not that clear.
Why not
Options
clear?
are
Actually, see, let me explain. According to question, see, for this one, you have to, think about the which steps will be applicable. Okay, let me see the responses. See, the cars will be chosen simultaneously. Okay, and without replacement, because it is mentioned that Tom decided not to use the same car twice. That means at one day he can use only one car. Okay, and at the second day he will use the different one, not the same car. Okay, so this is a type of without replacement, right? And their order do matter, because suppose selection of cars, I select the cars for 4 days, C1, C2, C3 and C4. Okay, on days D1, D2, D3 and D4. So it will not be same as the, suppose I'm selecting fourth car as the first day, then third, then second, and then the first one, right? And events are simultaneously means one second. Okay, suppose I'm saying suppose you have a number, okay, 5 numbers, okay, and I'm saying you have to make the 3-digit password. Okay, so events occur simultaneously means one after the another. Okay, that means out of these 5 here, any 3 can be happen. Suppose I'm applying the with repetition allowed. Okay, then this second position 3, any of the sorry, it will be 5. Okay, any of the 5 can happen, and this
4.
second position any of the 5 can happen, and the third position any of the 5 can happen. Okay, that is the
So,
meaning of
so
something.
simultaneously means at the same time, right?
Yeah, at the same time, one after the
So,
other. Okay, and
so how can he choose 2 cars at the same time?
no, not, see, he has 4 days.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
right, and he can choose any of the car at the first day. Suppose I'm choosing C4,
Mm-hmm.
and one after the other means at the second day he can choose suppose
Okay,
5th car,
okay.
and at the third day. Okay,
Okay, okay. So,
Sir, the numerical part you have written 5 into 5 into 5. I think that should be 5 into 4 into 3 because
Oh no,
he is
here
not.
I'm taking as with repetition. I mean repetition is
Okay,
allowed.
okay. Repetition in
Excuse me, sir.
consideration.
Yeah. If I'm taking without repetition, then it will be
Then it
5
would
into
be
4
5
into.
into. Okay, thank you,
Okay,
sir.
yeah, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, the simultaneous,
Okay.
please explain, sir, how it is simultaneous?
See, simultaneous means suppose I have 4 days, D1, D2, D3, D4. Okay,
Okay.
simultaneously occurrence means one after the other. Okay, suppose
Okay.
I choose the 4th car at the first day, then after that at the second day I will choose 5th car, for
Okay.
example, and after that I will choose the 3rd car. Okay, this happens one after the other. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, one after
Sir,
another, if it is happening, it is
sir.
sequential. No, it is not simultaneous. Simultaneous is parallelly it is happening.
Sir, for instance, if we manipulate the
have that.
question instead of taking one other day, if we manipulate the question like every 4 hours or like every week, then what would be there? It would be simultaneous or not?
Every week, what do you mean by, I mean,
Like, can you please explain with taking some another examples, like for some for weeks, every other day, or every 4 hours? That would be more beneficial, because we can't understand how can it be simultaneously if he
Just
picks
give
the car
example for
every
not
other day.
simultaneous.
Yes.
okay, see, for not simultaneous. Okay, suppose I'm taking this example. Okay, suppose I have to choose the 3-digit password. Okay, then I'm saying that I have to arrange, then it will be simultaneous. Okay, suppose I'm saying I have to choose one second. Suppose I have to choose, I'm saying suppose I have to do 2 types of password. Suppose one is I can arrange in increasing order. Okay. And second pattern is, suppose I'm saying it is in decreasing order. Okay. And I ask, suppose password can be either in increasing order or in decreasing order. Okay. So here events are not occur simultaneously, because here is or, means either increasing order will be here or decreasing order password will be here. Okay. Suppose I'm saying increasing and decreasing, that means increasing and decreasing, that means it's occurs simultaneously.
So simultaneously is
So-
AND operation.
Yeah, you can say it can
Sir,
be end of.
So it means that if we
Sir, just
use
can you
or
show
means-
the option once more? That option just once. Yes, sir,
Okay.
that
This
the
one.
question once more.
High order
What
matters.
is with displacement?
Okay,
Why
sir.
order matters? I could understand
Because
why order matters.
see, listen, this one.
What a
See,
name of
suppose
each
selection of the cars is C1, C2, C3 and C4 on the days D1, D2, D2, D3 and D4. Okay. Suppose at the first day I choose the C1 car, and at the second day I choose the C2, and at the third day I choose C3, and at the fourth day I choose the C4. Okay. So this combination, see, can you say this is same as C4, C3, C1, C2 like that?
No, it's not the same, but how does it matter?
Yeah, exactly.
Because it matters. See, 1 second. See, because this is the different one, na?
Oh, but what we have calculated, those number of ways, both will be included in that, right?
Yes, sir.
No. See. At the first day, I choose suppose C1. Okay. At the second day,
No, sir. No, sir. We
See,
got that. No, we got that.
Listen to me. At the second day, we cannot choose C1.
Yes.
Okay.
But we can choose C4.
Yeah, you can choose C4.
Okay. Then how it will be ordered?
Order, I think you are order means you are understanding like that C1, C2, then C3, then
Yes,
C4, right?
exactly.
No. Don't go with the order means, see, things will not be different. Suppose I'm saying, suppose you have 5 athletes. Okay. I'm taking as athletes as A1, A2, okay, A3 and A4 and A5. Okay. And I'm asking that the first 2 athletes who completes the race, suppose it's a 100-meter race. Okay. First 2 athletes who completes the race will qualify for the next round. Okay. Right. So at the it can possible that at the first place A1 can be here, and at the second place A2 can be here, and or at the first place A2 can be, and at the second place A1 can be here. But this not order does not matter, because both of them will qualify for the next round.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
So what do we mean by with displacement and without displacement?
Okay, I will explain. Do you
First, let us finish this, right?
Yeah. Have you got
Yes,
it?
we
This
will
now.
finish that, and then after you explain that topic.
See, there is. Yeah. Have you got it or not?
Can you go to the question once again? Maybe we have not read the question correct.
Sir, and I have one more question, that where it is given we don't take repetition, or we should not
Okay.
take one
That
star
will be
and
clear.
then...
That will be clear. No worry.
Sir, replacement means repeat or something else?
Yeah. Repetition. Suppose I'm saying, okay, I will explain.
But
Have you read?
the question says he do not want to use the same car twice, so it should be without replacement.
Yeah, it will be without replacement. Without replacement is the correct.
I was
answer.
just curious, means knowing what replacement, just replacement means.
Yeah, I will explain. No worry about that. Okay, have you read the question?
Yeah, okay.
Yes, sir, answered.
Okay. See, with replacement means suppose I have 5 digits.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Yeah.
Pardon me, but I am not getting the question.
Okay. Let me explain what with replacement, without replacement. After that, I will see. Suppose I am saying you have to make the 3-digit password. Okay.
Okay.
And I'm saying a repetition of digits is allowed. Okay. That means
Okay.
at the first place you can enter any of the 5 numbers, and
Second
at the
place
second
also.
place again any of the 5 number, and
third
at the
place
third
also.
place. Okay. And without repetition means at the first place you can enter 5 and see
Next
any
4.
one number. Yeah, that there will be 4 and there will be 3.
Then 3.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. See, question is says
Okay, sir.
steps which yeah.
So replacement means repetition.
Yeah.
Okay, oh, I thought it is kind of a
No.
new concept, so I got confused.
No. It's means with repetition and
That's
without
what I
repetition.
said.
Both
Okay,
are
sir. Now
actually same.
it
The
is
words
clear,
differ.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Next, move for the next slide. Okay, this is the
What are
question.
the events? What
Events are like
sir, in the question, what two events we are talking about, which would occur simultaneously or not simultaneously?
see events means see. This suppose you have 4 days. Okay, so here any of the suppose 6 car can be here, and here and here and here. Okay, so these are the events. Okay.
Okay, so I got this, but in question, what for which events are we calculating the steps, right?
Actually, see,
what would be the events in this question?
Maybe the correct understanding is the whole for 4 days. It's actually one event. There are no multiple events in this question. Am I right?
See, actually, this is the you can say in a general statement, because see.
Yes, it is not applicable to this question, I think.
No, it's applicable for events will occur simultaneously. Suppose actually here I have explained right this one. Okay, events occur simultaneously. Suppose this one, yeah, this example. Okay, suppose again I'm explaining. Suppose you have this 5-digit numbers. Okay, and you have to make the password. Suppose I'm saying pattern 1, which is can be an increasing order. Okay, and again will be in decreasing order. So these are 2 events.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, these are 2 events, and suppose I'm saying you have to create password like increasing order and decreasing order. Okay, so here events are occurring simultaneously. This event and these events are occur simultaneously. Okay, and suppose I'm saying you have to create password like either in increasing order or in decreasing order, then here not simultaneous.
Okay, sir.
So selection of a car for a day is an event.
In order to.
So what does simultaneous mean here, sir?
I think when both the events are being selected together, then it is simultaneously.
Both what?
See.
When we have to use AND formula,
yeah,
it is simultaneously.
When both the events
suppose
are
when there is an and
we see the number of
simultaneous,
ways it is simultaneous.
And there is you can say or, then it will be non-simultaneous.
Sir, simultaneous means same value can be in different places, like simultaneous means suppose for this case password, one can be at D1, one can be at D2, one can be at D3, one can be at D4. That is simultaneous.
Yes, and it will be and.
It will be and. Suppose so this means whenever there is repetition allowed, in that case it will be always simultaneous.
No, you can't say like that.
Because if repetition is allowed, we can put all events everywhere, right?
See, suppose I'm saying here events are not it's without repetition.
Okay.
Then after that it's also in you can events are occurring simultaneous way.
So we can also say that simultaneous could be the consecutive repetition.
Consecutive repetition means what? I mean what?
Sir, like for day 1 and day 2, both C1 is selected.
No, see, let's move the next question. I think then it will be clear. Okay, I think otherwise there is 36 slides. Okay.
Sir,
Okay,
simultaneous means together. We can say that.
yeah,
right?
you can say together. That means see, suppose one after the you can say no.
Yes.
See, this this
After
and
this.
after this event will occur, and after this event will occur.
Consecutive.
Okay? This means
Consecutiveness
simultaneous,
also.
and not simultaneous means this event or this event
That event.
or this
That
event.
event.
Okay, sir,
Okay?
understood. The end operation.
Got
Sir.
it.
Yeah.
Got
Okay, okay,
Here plus
okay.
will be
Both
applied.
cases, repetition and non-repetition are included, sir.
Sorry.
So sir is trying to explain that if there is AND function, then it would be simultaneous, and if there is be odd
Yes.
or
Yeah.
function, it would be
See,
not
just
simultaneous.
just try to
And
understand this one. Suppose I'm saying this event, and after this event will occur, and after this event, this is occur. Okay.
if there is AND, it's simultaneous.
So
If there is
here
OR, it is
will
not
be
simultaneous.
simultaneous. Okay. Suppose I'm saying this event or this event or this event. Okay. So then there would be non-simultaneous.
If there is mixer two or one end, then
Okay, so this is the next question. So I think 3 to 4 minutes will be more than enough. Okay.
Not to use the same card twice. Okay.
Sir, I think answer will be 6 factorial. I think. So.
Okay, we'll check.
Okay, sir. Actually, sir, I have a doubt in activity question, sir. Can I ask after this session, sir?
Yeah, you can ask after this.
And I am having some doubt in tutorial video, first one.
Okay, we will discuss. First, let's finish these slides. Okay.
Sir,
But
code
there
is
around
CPU,
36.
IHL something.
No, yeah. This code is
IHI
CPU
or
LH.
LL?
No, it's
LH.
LHL.
Okay, sir.
Small L, small H, small L.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Teacher, please can you repeat the code? The website is.
See.
Sorry about this, but can you please repeat that because
Yeah.
I
Code
think
is CPU. This top right corner code CPU LHL.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah, thank you. There is Kiran. This I think. Yeah, one request and instruction you can say. Please mute yourself, and who has doubt, unmute or.
Me, I was asking about order.
For what?
Sir, would you please explain order? I'm not getting it.
Sir, can you explain
Okay.
again the order?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
See,
Order, please.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. See, let's see the solution of this one, and after that, I will explain the order. Okay.
Simultaneous, right? This question is simultaneous data.
Yes.
Is that true, sir?
Yeah. It's
Okay.
simultaneous.
Okay. Then understanding is clear. Right? Okay.
Yeah. That's why I put the question first there, because you have to understand the meaning of simultaneous without replacement and order matter or not. After that, you can solve questions in an easy way.
No, sir, that perfectly makes sense. Yes. Thank you.
So in this question, sir, order doesn't matter, na?
Yeah, order not matter. No. Order will matter actually. You can say.
Here order matters, I guess. In last question, we found that.
Here order matters, right? If order doesn't matter, then
Because
see.
let's. I think
repetition is not allowed, na sir?
Yeah. Repetition is not allowed.
Repetition not allowed.
Yeah, but order repetition is not allowed.
Let me check the solution. There is answer the 360. Okay. 720. Someone has entered 2160. Okay, majority which is 360. Okay. So let's see the solution. Yeah, correct answer is 360. Because see, Tom has decided to he decided to not to use a card, same card twice. That means he has to choose one card for each day. So for the first day he can choose any of the 6 cards. That means 6. Okay, he has 6 way. And for the second day he has 5 way, because any of the one card is selected for the first day. Similarly, for the third day, number of ways will be 4, and for the fourth day, number of ways will be 3. And see, events are occurring simultaneously, means this first day and second day and third day and fourth day. That means 6 into 5 into 4 into 3.
Yes, sir. There is no gap between days.
Yeah, and here is without replacement, because you have to use one car only once.
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
Sir, what is the order? Sir, order matter or not?
No, order doesn't.
Order is not matter.
No. See, order will matter, but here we have to just calculate.
Sir, how order is matter, sir? Sir, if we multiply, then 3 multiply 4 multiply 5.
See.
Yes, sir.
No. See, you are not getting the order matter. Order doesn't matter. See, suppose saying I'm saying see. Yeah. Suppose I'm using for the 4 day car like C1, C2, C3, and C4. Okay, I have this order. Okay, and again, suppose I can use like C5, C6, C3, and C1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here order matters, means these two are not same. Okay, this one and this one are different.
Okay.
Suppose I
the
took the
selection,
example
right?
of I took the example of athletes. Suppose you have 5 athletes. Okay, and I'm saying that it's suppose 50-meter race, for example. Okay, and suppose I'm saying the first two athletes who completes the race will qualify for the next round.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here suppose I'm saying A1 and A2 qualify. So suppose A1 and A2 completes the race. So suppose A1 will first or A2 will second, or you can say A2 come first and A1 can second. So here order doesn't matter, because both of two will go for the next round.
Okay, Professor, if there is a question that first one get the first prize and second one get the second prize,
then order matters.
Okay.
Then order matters. Actually, it depends on the situation. Okay, you have to check actually these one and these one are different or same. Because I'm saying suppose A1 and A2 go.
If the items
Why
are
do you have to
It means we have to check two different ways and then check is there if they are different from each other. If they are different, Okay, okay.
then order matters.
Okay.
If the items are distinct, then order will always matter, right?
No, suppose I'm order.
Sir, it depends on the question, right, sir?
Yeah,
Sorry,
please,
sir.
please mute. Yeah, mute.
So it always depends upon the question, right? The order.
Yeah, it depends on the what question has been asked.
Yeah, okay, sir.
How
It's about
this
the
question is
criteria, what they
related.
are asking about.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
But how this question says that do we have to check the order or not?
Yeah, actually, that's why I'm saying what is the question has been asked. You have to think about. Suppose here I'm saying the first two players who have completed this race will go for the next round. Okay, so here order doesn't not matter. At the first position who has come and at the second position who has come. Okay, both of them go for the next round, right? And suppose I'm saying the athletes who come at the first got the suppose gold medal, and who come the second got the silver medal. Then order matter, because A1 suppose got the first position and A2 got the second position. Here order matters because he got this gold medal, he will got the second silver medal. Okay. Okay, let's move for the next.
Basically, any order
Yeah, your voice is
where
breaking. Your voice is breaking. Divyansu, your voice is
can
breaking a lot. Yeah, this is the next question. Let's do. I think. You have 4 to 5 minutes. I think will be more than. This is very similar to previous one.
it's a multiple select
Yeah, it's multiple selection. Actually, Divyansu, your voice is breaking. You can rejoin. Yeah, your voice is breaking a lot. I think let me check the responses. 2, 3, 5, 1, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 6. 1, 3, 5, 1, 3, 6, 1, 3, 5. Okay, okay.
It's done, sir. We can discuss now.
Yeah, no.
Is
Okay,
it okay, sir?
let's
Now? My
yeah,
voice is.
yeah, it's okay. It's okay, Divan. Okay, so let's see the solution. Actually, there is difference only of with replacement. Okay, events are also will occur, simultaneous and with replacement, because in the question it is mentioned that he can select the same car on the different day. Okay, that means cars can be repeated. Okay, and order do matter here also, because suppose I'm saying the selection of cars like C2, C2, C3 and C4 on days like that, first day, second day, third day and fourth day. These things are not same as the C4, C3, C2 and C2. Okay, that's why our order do matters. Okay.
No, last section, sir. Order do matters. How order will matter? Because
Yes,
let's
yes,
say if I have
because
six
see,
Sir, I can explain. I can
I have
explain
opted for
what,
six.
how order matters.
see,
Suppose you have 4 cars: red, blue, green, yellow. Right?
Yeah,
On
yeah.
day 1, you select a red car. You select a blue car, then yellow car, then pink car. Suppose. Okay. This is one of the orders. If you select like alternate colors, suppose first day you select red car, then yellow car, then blue car, right? This is a different order.
Yeah, this
So that is why
actually
order does
yeah,
matter here.
Suppose you can't say like this is same as blue, yellow, green.
Sir, but it can be distinct, sir.
How
Matlab
does
same,
this
it can be
matter?
same.
Let's say repetition is allowed, so I can take all the red car on.
Yeah,
all
you can say. See, suppose I'm
4 days,
saying,
right?
see, listen to me. See, I took the blue car, blue car, blue car, blue car. Okay.
Right. Yes.
Okay, this is the one case only.
Yes,
okay,
yes, sir.
but can you say this is the same as yellow, green, blue, and blue?
No.
These all things are not same as this one.
You're right.
That's why order matter. See, these order is different from this one. Okay, that's why order matter.
So order is matter in both cases.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, order will only matter if we have both sides the same thing, isn't it, sir?
No. See, suppose, see, this is, one second. See, suppose I took the example order not matter. Order does not matter. Okay. Suppose I'm saying this, here we have 4 days, right? Suppose I'm saying the first 2 cars which will use on the first 2 days, the both cars will be used on the next 2 days.
Right.
Okay. Suppose I use the here C1 car and C2 car on the first 2 days. Okay. And these both car will be used on these next 2 days. Here order does not matter, because either I can use first day C2, C1 or C2, and here I can use C2 or C1. Both will be used for the next 2 days. That's the another case. Here order does not matter. Both of them is same. Both will be used for the next 2 days. But here order matters. That means, see, suppose I'm use C1, C2, C2, and C3. So can you say this is same as C3, C2, C1, C1? You can't say. Okay. Order matters means things are different.
No, we thought order matters means it should be in a consequence. If you take the red car, next one should be the blue, next should be white. The order, we thought it should have a specific placement.
No.
Okay.
That's another thing. Yeah, first position.
That's I got it, sir.
That's what was this order matters was confusing, sir. So
Right.
Sir, this thing we got it, sir, like order matter or not. Sir, but how we proceed in question, sir? Sir, in question, how can we find that order is matter or not? Basically, here C1, C2, C3, then we differentiate. Then we can say that C1, C2, C3 is not equal to C3, C2, C1,
Yeah.
C1.
That's the, see, this is another, see, this is the one order. and this is the second order.
Yes, sir.
Both are different.
Basically, every combination is a unique order.
Suppose I'm saying
sir.
that's here example of athletes. Suppose I'm saying first two of who qualify the race, any of the these 5 athletes, first two who completes the race will qualify the next round. So A1, suppose A1 will come for the first position, A2 is coming at the second position, or A2 at the first position, or A1 at the second position. Both of them will qualify for the next round. Here order not matters. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Basically,
Can
first
we discuss
position
the first
anyone
option?
can
First option.
head like.
Sir, can you
How the
change
events
this?
are occurring simultaneously or not simultaneously?
Sorry.
The first two options.
First
How to
two
we select from it? How events are occurring simultaneously and not simultaneously?
Okay, have you
That
joined?
I do not understand.
Sir, I also don't understand the simultaneous thing.
See,
I mean,
simultaneously means, see, I repeated last time because, see, simultaneous means, suppose I have events, okay? Suppose event E1, event E2, and event E3. Okay, for example, simultaneous means this event and this event. See, this event occurs, and after this event will occur, and after this event will occur. Means E1 and E2 and E3. That means simultaneous. Okay. And not simultaneous means, suppose I'm saying E1 is occurring, or E2 can occur, or E3 can occur. It's not occurring simultaneous. Okay.
sir, but since he cannot drive 2 cars at a day, I mean, he can either
that
choose.
is, see, no, you are not good. See, you have 4 days, right?
Okay.
This one, okay, first day, second day, third day, fourth day. Okay, at the first day any car can be select, and at the second day any car can be select, and at the third day, after this second day, third day will come. Okay, after this third day, fourth day will come.
Yes, now understand, sir.
Okay.
He will
Not
necessarily select
simultaneously,
one of them car. Yes, sir. Then events are like simultaneously.
Yeah, I suppose I'm not simultaneously. Suppose I'm saying I can use first, I can drive car at the first day, or at the second day, or at the third day, but I have to drive at the next 4 day. Means first day, and then second day, and then third day, and then fourth day.
Sir, can you give some other example of non-simultaneous event if this is simultaneous?
I think you have joined late, right? I have explained the, suppose this one. Okay, suppose I took the, I have to create 3-digit password or 2-digit password in suppose in increasing order. I have a pattern. You have to see create password in increasing order. Okay, and you have to create the password in decreasing order, right? These 2 events you have, and suppose I am saying that you have to create the password increasing order and in decreasing order.
Okay, so first it should increase and then it should decrease.
So it is not possible, like.
And suppose I'm saying, so I'm just trying to say specifying an and. Okay. Not go with the take on this one. And suppose I'm saying you have to create the password like for increasing order or in decreasing order. Okay. When there is, you can say or, events will not occur simultaneous, and when there is and, then events will be simultaneous. Okay.
Sir, we can say that if you follow a pattern, only one pattern, then it will be simultaneously. We are going
Pattern
along.
means, see that simultaneous means event. Say this events. Once again, see, suppose I'm saying simultaneous means you have event this one, and this second event will occur after the first one, and will be there means first second event will occur after the first one. This first event occurs, and second occurs, and third occurs. Okay, that means simultaneous. Got it?
Okay, got it, sir, got it.
So first occurs, and second occurs, and third occurs. Okay, you are suppose 3 events, then it will be simultaneous. Suppose I'm saying
Yes,
first
basically
event
1
occurs,
and 2 and 3.
yeah. Suppose I'm saying first event occurs, or second event occurs, and or third event occurs, then it will be not
Yes, sir.
simultaneous.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So let's move for
Sir, can you show
the
the
next
question once
question.
again?
Regarding order, sir, I want to explain that what I understood that if we got an output C1, C2, C3, C4, and
Mhm.
C3, C4, C2, C1, that output is different. So order is different.
Yeah.
So order matters.
Yeah.
And even in the athletic example, that example athletic A1, A2 got win, and it is not in our hand that A3, A4 can also win, right? So there
Yeah.
also
See,
that
suppose
output is
suppose
getting
suppose
changed.
see, see.
So
Suppose A3 and A4 completes the race first. Okay. And suppose A3 come first and A4 come second. For example, or there can be case like A4 can come first and A3 comes second. Okay. These order does not matter because both of them will qualify for the next round. Okay.
okay, for the next round we are seeing, but I'm
Yeah,
seeing for
yeah.
the output.
Actually, it will depend on the your no question. Your question. What question?
Question data. Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
Question data is
sir,
Mhm.
correct me if I'm wrong. Sir, the orders are nothing but the combinations of the different combinations, whether they are similar or not. Right?
Yeah. Okay, so this is I think this will take hardly 2 minutes. I think this question.
Done, sir. Done.
Done, sir.
Please mute. I
Done,
think
done.
there is some background noise. Yeah. Okay. Fine. There are only 46 responses. Let's wait for a couple of minutes, and after that we will move ahead. I think this is a very easy one. Okay? If you understood the simultaneous and with replacement type of things, then this will
Done,
not
sir.
take.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
nice.
Yes. Well easy, sir.
Correct,
Yeah.
sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, if these like simultaneous is such an important thing, why didn't madam teach us in her class this thing? I know what could be the reason, or you just
No,
No.
only
She
word
teased
is
actually.
different. That
yeah.
was part of the
She
discussion.
explained ordering in week
Mhm.
6, right?
Yes,
She explains ordering in week 6, but
Mhm.
simultaneous things she has not explained.
it
Uh,
is explained, but not in that way that Sharin
yeah,
Right.
explained.
yeah.
But
Actually,
she
we are.
never used that word.
Yeah, she
Right.
never used.
Simultaneous is same as and.
Yeah.
Ma'am was
Yeah.
Yes, and
using
or
and.
concept. It is
Sir
just
is
Yeah,
that
Yeah.
using
Yeah. Yeah.
simultaneous.
Yeah.
actually, ma'am has explained like events are occurring simultaneously means and means
And
first
right.
event and
And
second
yeah.
event
Yeah.
and third event and fourth event.
Fourth event.
And
Yeah.
for non-simultaneous, you can say first event or
Or
fourth
second
event.
event or
Yes.
third event, right?
Okay.
Okay. She has explained the ordering thing, but simultaneous,
Hmm.
she did not use that word. Yeah.
Okay. No worry about that. Now you understood, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay. That's fine. That's
Yes, sir.
yeah. Okay. So I think we people are answering. Let's wait. I think 7:55. We will go for the solution. Okay, 1296, 1296, 1296. Someone has entered 2196, 1296. Okay, nice. Okay, I think let's check the solution. Correct answer is 1296. I think see here in the question it is mentioned that he can use, I mean, repetition is allowed.
Allowed.
Okay,
Yes.
so for the first day he can use any of the 6 cards, and for the second day he can use again 6 cards, and similarly for third and fourth day. Since events are occurring simultaneously, that means first day and second day and third day and fourth day, that means 6 into 6 into 6 into 6, that will be 1296. Okay, in the previous question there was mentioned like he cannot use the same card twice, so that's why there was 6 into 5 into 4 into 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
okay.
Proceed, sir.
Okay, so we can move for the next slides. Yeah, this is the next question. I think you have to 4 to 5 minutes. I think will be more than sufficient. Let's solve this.
When, sir?
Okay, fine. Let's wait for a couple of. There are only 35 responses. Let's wait for till 8. Okay, after that we will check solution.
Sir,
Mhm.
I have doubt in the question, sir.
In this one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is that compulsory? They should form two lines. At least there should be one member in the line.
Okay. No, no,
I'm asking.
actually, read this one. Read this one carefully. Okay, I
Sir,
think.
basically, sir, in other lines, sir, there is one minimum person is allowed, no, sir? Must be there is one minimum person.
One second. There is. Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
sir.
the
Similarly, I have
that.
taken 1625 like that. I have taken 4334.
Yeah, me also there.
Okay. Let me check the responses first. Okay, I will go. Okay, 42, 41. Okay. Someone is enter 720. Someone has entered 2520. 49. Okay. 10,080. 10,080. There is a lot of variations actually. Take, see, 128 is the correct answer. Yes. See, each person has two possibilities. Okay, either he can be in line 1 or in line 2. Okay, and there are in total 7 persons. So, okay, see, one second. Yes, Silpa, mute yourself. Yeah, see, there are 7 persons in total, right? Okay, and each person has two possibility. Either he can be in line 1, okay, or line 2. He has two possibilities. Similarly, second person has two possibility. Similarly, third person has two possibility. Similarly, for the fourth one, fifth one, second one, sixth one, and seventh one. Okay, and these are okay. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2, 6 and 7. It will be 2 raised power 7, which will be 128. Right?
Sir, but why we will go with number of peoples and not by line?
Okay, so see here, according to question, see what questions is, in how many ways can the two separate lines be created? Okay. Your question is how number of possible ways in which you can create a line. See, suppose in line 1 you have to create line 1 and line 2. Okay, and you have 7 person in total. So each person has two possibility.
Okay.
Person 1 can be here or
can be here.
Person 2. Okay,
But
that's
sir,
why I said
can be created in 7 people standing in different combinations also, na?
Yeah, that was my question. Why shouldn't
Because
we
see,
go by
if
that?
one line,
Yes, sir.
if there is a particular person if the line is of, we know 7 people are there and there is line of 7 people. So the order of 7 people can be anyway, no? Because that is little not clear whether it is order, because 7 people.
No, don't go with the order. Actually, what is your question? Your question is says, in how many ways your lines can be created? That is the question. Okay, in how many ways can the two separate lines be created? Okay.
Sir, but what we have taken like
all 7 people can stand in one line
starting
as
with
well.
234 is different from
One
5
second.
6 7 like that we have taken.
If say,
Sir, but there will be several lines, several lines, no? Different of
Yes,
different
they actually
combinations.
Different
order of
orders
the
of
people
several
will
lines.
matter here or not? In line 1, 3, 4.
Suppose you have 2 people only. I'm taking as 3 people, for example. Okay. So okay. So you for example, let's two people. Okay, so each person has two options. See, go with this concept, right? Suppose you are okay, you are at the outside of the stadium. Okay,
It is not asked, no, ki how people can, how can people, what
It
are the
is-
different ways in people can join the line? The question is not that. Had the question be like how many people, what are the ways in which people can join these two lines? Then it would be 2:7, no? But here it is, question is, how can the lines be formed?
It's the same thing.
See,
Actually, na, entry is only 2. So somehow we have to create only 2 lines.
Sir, it is quite possible that, sir, it is quite possible in line 1 there is 1 person and line 2 there are 6 person, right? Then
Okay.
next possibility, line 1 there are 2 person, next line there are 5 persons. So
5
there will be
person.
many combinations in line 1, like then next maybe 3 4, then 4 3, then 5 2, then 6 1. So for standing these 5 people in one line, there will be n number of possibilities for them also. So
Exactly.
then how it will come only 128? It should come a long value, right?
No. You have, see, you have not arranged the people in line.
Then what was the question?
Actually,
Sir,
question
I think
see,
even
see.
if we take, sorry to interrupt. I think
Yeah.
even if we take the combinations like he said, include the combinations that all 7 are in one line and line 1, or all 7 are in line 2, we'll get 128 as the answer, but it'll be more like a complex way of approaching the problem.
Yeah, I think you are right. Actually, see, someone I think
Yeah,
he's
sir.
saying
Can
like,
you explain it, sir?
yeah. You are saying like in the line 1, 1 people is there. Okay.
There and line 2 there are 6 people, sir.
Line 2 there are 6
Six
people. Okay?
people. So even these 6 people can stand in factorial
See.
6 times.
See, there is 7 way.
Same way here, right, sir? And
And
factorial
there
6
will be
ways here.
6 factorial.
Right, sir. Right. So total
That
ways would
means,
be plus, right?
okay. And is the question is you have to create 2 separate lines be created. Okay. So
right.
You can like, I don't think it's a correct way.
Right,
Actually,
sir. The next time it may happen, line 1 have 2 people and line 2 have 4 people.
Correct, sir. So what is wrong with
Mhm.
this approach is what I wanted to ask.
If we take this approach,
Sir,
I
I
think we
believe-
should
one second.
take
Yeah,
like,
one by one.
sorry.
Please, one by one.
Sir,
yeah,
I'm just interrupting. Sir, here it has not been asked to arrange people within the line. It has only been asked to select people in the line.
Yeah. Actually, see, yeah. See, actually,
that
you
was
have
my
to.
point too.
Yeah, actually, there are question. You have to, you have to find the number of possible ways in which 2 separated lines be created. You have to create it. How many lines can be created. So you have in 7 people in total, right? Suppose there is 3 people. For example, P1, P2, and P3. Okay, and you have to create 2 lines. Okay.
Right, sir.
So by these 3 people, how many lines can be created? So how can be your approach? For example, if you go for the person 1, so he has 2 options only. He can
Right,
be
sir.
either in line 1 or in line 2. Okay?
Right.
For person 2 was also only 2 options.
2 options, right.
And for person 3, he has also only 2 options.
Right. But it is quite possible, sir, like person 2 and 3 are standing in one line and person 1 is standing in other line, right? In that case, these things will increase.
See, what will be the here answer?
But sir, actually, what question is asking only this L1 and L2, not P1 and P2, P3.
Actually, you
He
are
just asking
this
about the
one.
lines.
Okay, suppose here can
Right. Okay.
Whatever.
I think my voice is repeated, right?
Yeah, that will mute it, sir.
Now is it okay?
Yeah,
it is okay now, sir.
This is more clear.
Yeah. See,
Question is asking L1, L2, not P1, P6.
Yeah, actually,
Okay,
here can be P1.
Got it, this.
I think
Got
you
it, sir. Got it.
That's
Yes,
why I
fine.
said read this line carefully. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So
There is a
let's
question inside question, sir.
let's move for the next one. I think this is previous one actually, same as the okay. So I think it will take hardly 2 to 3 minutes.
So everyone has just one.
I think we can check the solution, right? Or we can wait.
Check it, sir.
Let's check it.
Let's okay. Let me see the okay. Sum of 5,047 128 2 2. See here, 2 is the correct answer, because see, if you read the question is asked about in how many ways can the two lines, separate lines be created such that one of the lines is empty. Okay, that means if you complete the if you create the line 1, that means you have one way, and if you create the line 2, for that you have one way. So number of possible ways to create two separate lines is line 1 or line 2, that is you have two ways.
Right.
Sir, why
Right?
not you have taken the order in which people would be arranged in that
See,
line?
actually, see.
Because it's only talking
listen
about
to
line.
me. If actually I'm see, suppose I'm suppose I'm asking like that, in how many ways 7 people can be arranged in line 1. Okay, that's in that case you have to take like 7 factorial. Okay,
Got it,
but
sir.
here But
So
here
let's
is
say you put the
question
7
is,
factorial into 2, sir.
yeah,
7
7
factorial
factorial into 2, because for
Yes,
line
sir.
2 will be same as 7 factorial. But here question is, you have to complete line two separate line. Okay, you suppose I have completed line 1, so I can do in one way. Okay, one way will be there, or you complete the
Yes,
line
sir,
2
I got it. I got it. See,
What?
that these two lines can be formed in two different ways. But why not the order of people taken into account?
Actually,
In which
order of
people
people
would be
doesn't.
arranged in.
No, that's
Because that's
that's
not in question, na. Question is
see,
only saying create two lines.
yeah.
That is not in the question. The question is how the lines to be made.
Suppose I'm
Right.
asking
Will be ordered,
how in two separated lines, 7 people
Will be arranged.
in how many way, in how many ways 7 people can be arranged. That's in
Right.
that case you have to do 7 factorial like that.
Right.
Okay. And similarly for the in previous one, suppose I'm asking like that, in two separate lines, how 7 people can be arranged. Okay, then
I
in
have a
that case
question.
You would have used that 7 factorial and into 2.
Okay. Till now I got it, sir. And how do we identify that here the order of arranging people is not important?
Just read the question. Actually, see what one second. See, what is your question? Question is just you have to complete the two separate lines. Okay. Okay. So suppose you have completed the line 1. Okay. You have one way. You have to complete the lines. Okay. Not you have to arrange the peoples in line 1. Suppose I put the randomly any suppose P1, P3, P5, P6, and I completed the line. I have one way. I completed the line. This is one way.
So, sir, here order matters, right?
No.
Because everything
why
is
are
same. Okay.
Why are you doing like order matters or doesn't matter?
Because there are questions, sir, where everything is asked like order matters or not matters, right?
Okay, ask then you can
Sir, please give
consider about that.
the appropriate words in question. They are very confusing.
Can you repeat?
So I have a doubt.
Please tell the guys who create these questions to use the appropriate words. They are very
Okay. Fine.
There
Now
are
you
doubt.
got it or not?
From the question we do not interpret how that whether we have to take order into account or no.
No. Actually, this will first thing. This will come after the practice. You can say when you do a lot of questions after finishing week 5 and week 6, will automatically you will get the points. Yeah, here is asking about only lines, not considering about people.
maybe we are not up to that level. What is being taught here?
Actually, just do the practice. You can say actually.
Sir, is it possible to give more practice assignments? Because we have only one practice assignment with 5 questions, I
Yes, sir.
think.
And
And
we get
questions are
repeated
more than
different
sufficient, I think.
questions, but
No. If see in the
Hello,
week 5 and week
The
6.
practice assignments would be the quiz level questions.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm not understanding this question. Before this question, that question answer was 128, and this question is also same. Only the last line is, I think,
Yeah, there
different.
is a twist in the last line.
I'm
See,
not
actually,
able
see.
to understand this.
No. See, listen to me. What is question? Question is says, in how many ways can the two separate lines be created such that one of the lines is empty? Okay, you have to create
Sir, it
just
means,
two lines.
yes, sir, one
Why
of the
are you
line
going?
can be empty. Means either thing is happening
See,
now.
no. See, number of possible ways. Line 1 is empty. That is all the 7 persons are in line 2. That is the one way.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, that is the one thing. See, suppose I'm saying line 1 is empty. Okay, and all the 7 peoples are in line 2. Okay, this is the one way. One way you can create a line. Okay, or line 1, in line 1 7 people are there, and line 2 is empty. This is the
Yes,
another
sir.
one way. Okay, see, this is or then 1 plus 1 will be
Sir,
2.
sorry, I got a doubt. Why we are adding in some place we are multiplying?
No,
some
see,
place we are not.
Either
because
case.
here is either line 1 can be empty or line 2 can be empty.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
So can you show earlier question also one more time?
Yeah, I can. So, yeah, this one, right? Here is the question: in how many ways two separated lines can be created?
Yeah.
Okay, and here it is mentioned that one such that one of the lines is empty. Okay.
I have a small doubt. Sir, I got the answer you gave for the empty, but unlike the previous question, why we are not taking account the persons?
Because see, order of the person is not matter. Actually, what is your question? Your question is just one line is empty and second line is full.
Okay, sir, I got this, but the another way it can be said that for person one there is two selections, like it can go in line 1 or line 2, and for rest of the 6 other peoples there are only one possible ways that can fit. So I think I got the answer 8, but that is wrong. I know.
No, yeah, that's the wrong.
Okay, sir.
Okay, let's yeah, this is the you have to use the
Hello, sir.
previous two concepts. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Hello.
Sir, they are supposed to create two lines, but is it possible to create one empty line and one line with 7?
Empty line
I don't
possibility
think
they are asking.
See.
Yes, sir. In
No,
early
I'm asking how we have to come up with such ideas. Like
no.
The question is
because
little.
In the question it is clearly mentioned that you have to create it two separate lines such that one of the lines is empty.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. That means, so number of possible ways. See, line 1 is empty, and that means all the 7 persons are line 2. This is the one way. This whole thing is one way. You we have to not take into account the arrangement of the persons. We have to just take
So then why
one
7
line is
people are
empty.
mentioned there?
Because
To confuse us.
see, because this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, next let's do this one. Okay, I think after doing the lot of questions, you will get the more
more confused.
Should we consider internal arrangement within the line or not, sir? Here.
Sorry. Yeah, can you repeat?
Should we consider the internal arrangement? Means, for example, in a row there are some.
Suppose you have to arrangement, consider then permutation will be applied.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
Sir, isn't it 2 lines? So answer for this is also 2, isn't it? Because one
for this question.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, try to do.
5.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See this. Read this one. Okay. And your previous both concept of both questions will be applied here.
Sir, could you please show question number 1 for a moment?
This one, right?
Yes, I'm just checking the wording.
Okay.
Okay, got it. Thank you. Sir, whenever you explain the solution, if you can tell how is this question different from question 1, we have.
Okay, just after 2 minutes we will check the solution.
Sure.
So,
Mhm.
is the week 5 also the same topic now, sir? About this, the same class week 5. I'm sorry, sir. The week 6 also the same topic now, sir. Like the
Yeah, it includes the concept of week 5, and in week 6 you will use the permutation and combination, circular permutation and repetition of words like that. Okay, I will wait for 2 minutes more, and after that we will check the solution.
So how many more questions do we have?
You can guess accordingly slides number. There are total 36 slides, and we are only at 16 slides.
Okay.
Sir, I think we should check the answers.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's wait for a 1 minute more. Okay.
Let's see the answer, sir.
Okay, let's see the responses. There are 126, 126. I think 126 is correct one. 126. Okay. 128. Someone has entered. 42. 7. 128. Okay. Let's check the solution. Okay, the correct answer is 126, because see, in the question it has asked that you have to calculate the number of ways in which security guard create 2 separate lines such that each line contains at least 1 person. That means in total number, see, in how many ways guards can create a line 2 raised power 7. Okay, and the question is asked in lines 1 person. There should be, see, at least each line contains at least 1 person. That means you have to minus the number of ways where lines is empty.
Got it, sir. It's jumbling of words. I don't know.
See, each person has 2 possibilities. So in total, you had.
Sir, why we are accounting persons here?
No. See, actually, this will
Sir, I got the answer as 6, and I am pretty much clear that the answer should be correct.
Suppose I am taking 5%, for example. So answer will be 2 raised to power 5 minus 2.
Why are we taking into account the empty line? Because it has to contain at least one. Please. It has to contain at least 1%. That means no line can be empty, and we do not need to subtract it. Sir, I'm saying like 2 raised to power 5 are the ways in which this line can be formed, right? We should not subtract 2, because it should contain at least one line should contain at least 1%. No line can be empty.
No, in that case, the very first question that we discussed.
So actually, why are we taking into account the case of an empty line?
Because see here this is the total way.
Subtracting 2. to ensure that no lines are empty.
See, these are the total total ways, okay, in which you can create the lines, okay, and you have two ways in which your lines can be empty, right? So so for considering the at least one person, that means total minus this one, that will automatically will come like the lines in which at least in each line at least one person is there, okay. From total you have to minus the empty things.
Sir, can we discuss the
Only we are confusion, sir.
No,
I think
why?
only 6 ways.
Sir, last time when we did for the 7 persons, right? What we did 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, because everything has two possibilities, either yes or no, right? In this case, if when we are saying 2 has only one possibility, then 2 into 2 into 2 5 times, then last 2 should be 1 1, no sir? No.
Last 2 should be 1 1.
Because
No,
in earlier question, when we have 7 total students, right? 2 into 2 into 2 7 times, that makes 2 to the power 7, right sir?
Yes.
Here
Yes.
at 2 lines we have only one person, so 5 lines.
Your voice is break. You are not audible if you are speaking. See, just try to understand how many total lines can be created. Is that is 120 ways, 128 ways, okay. Try to understand what I'm saying, and you have to consider the things that means at least one person in each line, okay. That means you see, you have to minus the total minus the ways which can be empty, in which lines can be empty. So if you minus this one, so this will automatically get the total number of ways in which at least one person.
You are saying when we said there are 128 ways, that contained 2 cases where either this line was empty or that line was empty. We are removing those.
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay, okay.
you are
we're removing those
you
2
have to remove
lines.
this one.
Okay,
Yes,
okay.
because this is the total number of ways in which lines can be created. Lines can be created empty also.
Right,
okay?
right.
Lines can be created empty also. That's why we have to minus these 2 ways of empty one.
Okay, sir. Understood. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So yeah, this is the.
So if the question asks instead of at least one, at least 2 people should be there, then how would you solve it?
Okay, so tell me your approach.
Sir, one thing is that we will take all the people, like 128 will be there, and we will subtract the empty lines first, and then we will subtract the मतलब जिसमें 1 1 होंगे, एक element.
Yes.
We will subtract
That's yeah. And you have to consider. You have to find
128
the
minus 2
person.
and minus 2. I think so.
No, I think if if in suppose you have to think about in line 1 how many one person can be there, and in line 2 how many one person can be there, okay. You and you have to remove this case also, okay. Just you have to think.
We have to take each person as different person, and we will take that at a
because
time. One person
see
is
you have to find the case where in each line at least 2 persons are there, so you have to subtract 0 and 1.
No sir, can you tell me the value at least? मतलब क्या हो सकता है? मतलब मुझे 128 minus 2 तो समझ आ रहा है, but जो आपने बोला कि 1 1 करना है, तो क्या मतलब आप बोल रहे हैं?
Suppose line 1 में in and one person can be like see, there is in line 1 person is there, and line 2 6 person are there. This is the one way. And this can happen correctly
in the reverse order also.
It can be reverse order also. I think this is the word. I think this is the, yes, I think this can be possible ways, right?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Like 128 minus 2 and minus 2 for these two. Or should we take, like, if there are 7 individuals, we have to take consider each individual as a different person, and we will consider like that also. Matlab,
No.
Sir, if the question is at least 2, then what we will do?
Actually, that's why that's the things I'm trying to.
That's what the question is. That's what this lady asked.
So actually 128 minus 2 of empty lines, and say suppose in one and we have to subtract the case in a number of ways in which line, suppose in line 1 person is there,
minus 2 into 7 because
minus
वो
2
सात minus के बाद minus 2 into 7 minus 14.
Why?
Because there are 7 cases where in line 1 there could be single person, we want to remove them. 7 cases where in line 2 we have one person, right?
sorry, I don't understand. What did you say?
But actually, okay,
We didn't do it that way for one person, right? When we did it for one person, we did only 128 minus 2, right?
Actually, we have to think about this case, okay, or one. See this one.
Sorry, 2
and
into 6, yeah.
Okay, so we have to check for the and for this number of possible ways, and we have to subtract this one. Okay, we will do in the after this slides actually, because there is no 36 slides. Okay, and we will check, but it's, I'm sure we have to minus this one case also. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so
yeah, maybe 2 into 6 because 0 we already subtracted. Yeah, okay, sir, we'll do it later.
Yeah, this one, please do it.
shall we check the answer?
Yeah, 1 minute.
This last line of the question is very confusing.
Okay. No worry. Let me check. 243, 32, 243. Okay. Okay, let's see the solution. Usually, what is the question? A group of 5 people decide to join either the sports or heritage team in the college. Okay, one can be member of one and only one team. Okay, and you have to find the number of ways can they join the team. If not necessarily each member of the group joins the team, that means say he has 3 options.
How 3 options, sir?
Because see,
one team, 2 team, no team.
Yes, because in the question it is mentioned if not necessarily each member of the group joins the team. Okay, and he has option like he can join the sport team or heritage team or not be in any team. Okay, and each person has 3 possibilities. So for 5 persons it will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. I mean 5 times it will be 3 raised to the power 5. Got it? If here it's not mentioned like that, here this is not supposed, this is not mentioned. I mean this possibility is not present there of not being in any team, then the correct answer will be like 2 raised to power 5. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we can move ahead, right?
Sir, how many these type of questions are expected?
Your voice has been broke actually. Yeah.
I said how many these type of questions will be expected?
In what?
In test 2.
Quiz 2. Okay, let's wait and watch. Okay, see, yeah, this is the very easy one. You can calculate, I think, within 2 minutes.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have a doubt in the tutorial video.
Okay, so we can discuss after the slides. Actually, there are no 16 slides remaining.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
let's first finish the slides. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If it's not possible in this session, then we can discuss in the next one. I think this session is on Friday, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And one more, we had a discussion with Usha ma'am. She will take revision session on Saturday of week 5 and 6 with some questions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So yeah, so please join that session. I think that day your more your concept will be more clear.
Okay, sir. Okay. So what I wanted to ask was, if question it is given that more than five numbers or more than four letters, you have to take if more than four letters, I should consider only from five, right?
More than what? More than two.
More than four letters. If question is given that.
Yeah, you
more
have to
than
consider
four,
5 one.
I should consider only from 5, 6, and the possibilities, right?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
If suppose I'm saying at least 4, then you have to consider with the 4, with 4, 5, and then whatever the last limit is.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I think we can see the solution, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Let's see the solution.
Yeah, let's
Yes,
see
sir. Yes, sir.
the
Let's see.
here we. Okay, 31 people is saying one option, 33 people is 34 is with 3. Okay, so why are you going with third option? Third is the wrong one. First is the correct one. Okay, because see, you have to create the 5 digit. Okay, if suppose at the first digit you take the 0, then that number will be a 4 digit. So at the first digit you have not, you can't be considered 0. So for the first digit you have only 9 ways, and for the remaining digits you have 10 ways. So 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So total number of ways to form a 5 digit number will be 9 into 10 raised to power 4.
This is the first question I got correct, sir.
Okay. No, after some time you will correct all the questions. No worry about that.
I leave all the questions.
Okay, so I think this things have you got right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move for the next question, I think.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this is again type of discussion. I think please do carefully, and you will do. I think you will do in the correct way. Just please read the question carefully and try to understand where about order of things.
I quit this question, sir.
Excuse me, sir. Sir.
I think we should also write the answer in different ways, x6 factorial or something.
And also don't write the answers on chat. Okay. Think yeah, I will wait for 1 more minute. After that, we will go with the solution.
235.
One 145, 135, 145, 245. Variations are also there. See, here in the question, it's clearly mentioned that without repetition. Okay. So without repetition, without replacement will be correct answer. First one. Second is events will occur simultaneously. Okay, because you have to create the 3-digit password. Okay. See, see, like that. See, events will occur simultaneously means A and B and 2. That means 2 alphabetical and then third one. Okay, so events occur simultaneous and without replacement is mentioned. So without replacement will be there, and order matters because see, password AB2 type of things is not same as the BA2.
Correct.
Okay, that's why your order matters.
That's the first question I got correct.
Okay. After some time, you will correct all the questions. I think. Okay. I think this question is clear to everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine.
So 1, 3, what are the answers? 1, 4, and 5. Okay.
Yes. 1, 3 not because here it's clearly right here
Yes, sir.
without
Yes, sir.
repetition.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. And now here you understood about the order, okay? Because this password is not same as the BA2.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's why order matter. So let's move for the next question. This is for the previous one. I mean, here you have to calculate in your number. So please do it. I think it will take hardly 2 minutes. Not. See, don't write the your answer on the chat.
Sure, sir.
When they are doing the same things. Okay, I will wait for 1 more minute. Think that. Okay, I think we can check the solution. $6,500, 6,500. Okay, 6,500, 6,500. Okay, let's see the solution. Yes, 6,500 is the correct answer, because see, for pattern A you have to create first 2 digits, okay, are lower alphabets and remaining 1 digit is numeric. So for first digits you have 26 way, okay, and in the question it is mentioned that repetition is not allowed. Then for the second digit you have 25 ways, and for the third digit, suppose here is any of the numbers from 0 to 9 can be here, so you have 10 ways. So it's events are occurring simultaneously as you have done in the part 1. So it's 26 into 25 into 2010. Suppose I'm saying all the 3 digits will be alphabets, so here will be 26 into 25 into 24.
Sir, in the question it is written that first 2 digits are alphanumerical, right?
Yes.
So it could be alphabets all.
And 2 digits are alphabetical and the remaining 1 digit is numeric.
Shit. Okay.
Okay, everyone have understood this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
okay, let's move for the next slides. This is the very similar to the previous one. I think it will take hardly 1 minute.
It's the same, sir.
Yes. I think there is some background noise. I think Amarjit, can you mute yourself? Yeah. When you have to ask, you can unmute, but no.
Sure, sir. Got it. Sorry.
Okay, I think we can see the solution responses. 145, 145, 45, 145. Now I think this is the first time. God, okay, that's nice. Yeah, this is exact same as the previous one, because here events are is also occur simultaneously, and
Yeah.
without repetition is mentioned. And order matters because here there is in pattern and pattern pattern A and pattern B, the difference is only digits and alphabets. Okay, so
Sir,
once again,
simultaneously not understood.
see, simultaneously means, suppose I'm saying I have event E1, E2, E3. Okay, simultaneous means E1 occurs and E2 occur and E3 occur. Okay, that means simultaneous. Got it?
Yes, sir.
And suppose I'm not simultaneous means E1 occur or E2 occur or E3 occur. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Simultaneous means one after the, E1 occur and then E2 and then E3. Okay, suppose here order matters because this password 23D is not same as this 32D. Okay, and without
simultaneously means that event 1 is linked to event 2 and event 2 is linked to event 3. They are linked, right?
Yes,
when
you
the
can
events
say
are independent, they are
no independent. See, independent is another thing. You sorry, you have to consider
not
just like
dependent, they are linked. There is a
yes,
link
yes.
between event 1 and event 2.
See, E2 after the E1, E3 after the E2. Okay, here your password is like 32D. Okay, that means 2 digit and 1 numeric. That means, okay, you have to consider first one this digit and this digit and this digit. Okay, that's why events are simultaneous. Okay, so let's move for the next slides. This is the very similar.
Shall I consider 0, 2, 3 is 3-digit number? 0, 2, 6.
No. If you consider like 3-digit number, then it will be 2-digit. If you consider like password, then it can be. Okay, that's the another thing we can discuss.
Done, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's wait for rest of the people. I think this is the very similar.
Done, sir.
For the.
Yeah.
Now I think you are getting the concept right.
Seems like, sir.
Okay, that's nice.
सर जो इससे पहले एक क्वेश्चन था, सॉरी, empty line was question having empty line. We cannot, empty lines can be infinite, right? But we have to consider only 2.
Empty lines can be infinite means? Why infinite?
Okay.
Let's see. Actually, see, empty lines means suppose line 1 can be empty.
Sir, some humming noise is coming.
For long time, there is some disturbances there, sir.
I think this was from Amarjit side. Now I think it's okay, right?
Yes, sir. Now it's okay.
Sir, we can go for answer.
Yeah. One second.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's check the solution. First, let me see this 2340. Okay, 2600. Little bit variations. Okay. See, here condition was you have to consider you have to create the password in which 2 digits are numeric and third digit is alphabet. Okay, so first at the first place the 10 digit there are 10 way. Okay, and it's without replacement. Then for the second place it's 9 way and third is alphanumeric, so it can be 26. Okay, there is something, here should not be any number, here should be any alphabets. So that's the mistake. Don't focus on that. I think this points you got, right?
Yes, sir. Let's move forward.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. So let's move for the next slide. Yeah. This, read the carefully. Just read the question carefully. What have been asked and what will be the steps. And just remember thing, every time, we cannot consider about without replacement, order matter, order does not matter, like that. Okay, according to question, what the question has been asked, and accordingly which steps can be applicable there. There are 36 responses. Let's wait for 1 minute. After that, we will.
Sir, how many questions are left?
There are only one more question are there. There are only 6 slides are left. I think 5 slides. I think we can see the solution responses first. Okay, 2, 4, 5, 2. Who has entered 2? That is the correct answer. Why 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5? But someone has entered 4 options. See, 2 is the correct answer. Only 2. Because see, here you have to consider only the steps applicable for the selection of password, either pattern A password or pattern B. There are 2 events, either pattern A or pattern B. That means events will not occur simultaneously.
But sir, if A and B are OR, like all the digits can be repeated in B, right? So
no, why you are considering that like that? See what I'm saying. You have to consider the that's why in bracket I write here steps applicable for the selection of a password, only one password, either pattern A or pattern B. You have 2 events, pattern A or pattern B. Okay, you have 2 events, pattern A Suppose I'm writing as PA or PB. So
Right,
steps
sir.
will be there. You have to select these two, either this password or this password. So events will not occur simultaneously. That's fine. If I'm separate considering about PA or PB, then without replacement or order matter
Okay.
like that.
Also, sir, order will matter here, right? Because the same password can be in A or B.
No, same password cannot be in AB. Not, see, you have not go with like that. You have to just consider this one, either pattern A or pattern B. Okay. So correct answer will be events will not occur simultaneously.
So, sir, even here, suppose we have from pattern one, sorry, pattern A, we get AB1, and from pattern B, we get 11A. So,
Okay.
even this
No,
is not
here will not be
same.
1-1A, 1-2A. See,
Okay, 1-2A.
this is the different one. I agree. But why? What is the question? Question is just selection of this, either this one or this one.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Or is there?
Yeah, or is there. Not go with the, so see in the previous one here sorry, it is asking about the pattern B. So here, see, here is the question was selection of digits for the password
Yes,
of
sir.
type pattern B. Okay, then event simultaneously without replacement digits and order matter digits.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So
Sir, but
let's
in
move
question
for
it is
the,
asked right that steps for that. So I choose that one,
no,
two, four,
there is
five.
bracket for there, step or steps. You you sometimes you get the in MSQ one option is correct, not two options correct. That's why we here like checking for the concept. Okay, so there is yeah, this is the so let's do this one. Okay.
It's the same question.
This is you have to calculate actually.
But we did that, sir. 65,000 was the answer.
No.
Acha. Okay.
Read the question. That was only for pattern A or
pattern B. This is for.
Yes.
Got the answer, sir.
Okay, 1 minute. Let's wait for 1 or 2 minutes. After that, we will check the solution.
So, sir, like we did in the last question. So there are possibilities that order matters, order doesn't matter. None of these, right? No,
none of these.
neither order matter nor it doesn't matter, right? Because we didn't select. I was
Yes.
thinking either of two, one will always be there. So it's not the case.
No. You have to just consider pattern A or pattern B.
Okay.
Okay.
That's a hint. You are given the hint for the answer, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the hint, right? Okay.
So does that means that whenever the events will not occur simultaneously, so the order will not matter?
No, you can't say like. Actually, it will depend on the what what is the question. Actually, somehow in some question events will occur simultaneously, but order doesn't not matter.
Suppose that in the same question, like A was 2 alphabet, 1 digit, the B is also same, 2 alphabet, 1 digit, right? Then the order will matter, right? The passwords will be generated same like AB1 and AB1 in both the cases. So we will have to
then order will order doesn't not matter, I think. But but for only one, either one, I mean for either pattern A or
pattern B.
B.
Okay, still doesn't matter, right?
Yes, but if you go for only pattern A, then it will matter, because in pattern A, suppose I am writing AB1 and BA1, these two are different.
Right.
That will fall in the same pattern A only. No, there is no need for pattern B only, because it will be the same pattern. Orders not repeating.
Yes, and if suppose there is some, we can put some restriction. Yeah, well, first 13 alphabets will be used for pattern A, and last 30.
Yeah.
Then order will matter also.
Then order will matter.
Then order will also matter. Okay.
Actually, it will depends on the what is question, and in that way we have to think about that.
Okay, sir.
It will, we can't say in general, yeah, in that case order will not matter, in that case order will matter. So actually, what is the question? In that way we have to think.
So please go for the answer.
Yes. 1 second. Let me lock the screen. And
8840.
okay, 8840. Someone has entered 2 like that, 1 plus 1. 8840.
Yeah, you have given the hint, so all the answers will be right.
Yes. Actually, we have to select password. So total number of ways of pattern A, that was 6500, and or total number of ways of pattern B, which was 2340. So for any of the password will be 6500 plus 2340. Okay, got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay, got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So let's move for the last question. This is the last question.
Yes.
For which you people are waiting.
Sir, ऐसे ही question देना exam में.
Actually, this question is for boost up to you. Sorry. There are 59 participants and 125.
Suppose suppose we fail in one subject, right? So can we go ahead with the 3 subjects? We have to give our complete exam in March.
Actually, Sachkari can handle support team.
Okay.
Yes, you can go with 3 subjects.
Yes, I
can go with 3 subjects.
Yes, I have the same query. I contacted the support and they resolved my issue.
Okay.
Okay, so we can. What's your name? Prasad. Sorry, Saad, right?
Yes.
Saad. Okay, Saad.
And if you qualified the qualifiers, then there is no option to attempt it again.
Yeah. Okay. Whatever marks we get.
Yes. Whatever we got. We have to proceed with that. There is no option to apply for qualifiers again for 3 consecutive terms.
Okay. Suppose if we fail in one subject, means I get less than 40% in one subject, I can go ahead with 3 subjects.
Yeah, your overall aggregate must be greater than 60 or 50, I think.
Okay.
You have to individually pass in subjects, and if your aggregate score is less than 70, you can proceed with 3. If it is more than 70, you can proceed with 4. If you are failing in one subject, then you might be you have to give qualifiers again, because you have to at least score more than 40 in all 4 subjects.
Subject, right? Okay.
All
Okay.
subjects.
Okay.
And if we take aggregate like average of all 4 subjects, it should be more than 70%. Then you can proceed with 4 subjects. It's less than 70, you can proceed with 3. If it's less than 50, 60, then you can proceed with 2 in order like that.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay,
Thank
so
you,
I
sir.
think
Thank you.
we can see the solution. Okay. 1200. Someone has put 0. I think 0 factorial is taken as 0. 1. Okay. Let's see the correct answer is 1200 because 0 factorial and
Is one.
1 factorial is 1. Ma'am has told you in the lectures. And this one, what is the question? See, 10 factorial and 5 factorial, 9 factorial, 9 factorial. So you can cancel out 9 factorial. Okay, by this one, 10 into 9 factorial, you can write it. Okay, you know this property. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And 9
Yes.
factorial, this 9 factorial will be cancel out this 9 factorial, and 5 factorial is coming out to be 120. So 120 and 10 equal to 1200. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so yeah,
Sir.
thank you. Last. Yeah, yep.
So
Yeah.
there are a few. I have a doubt in the practice assignment. The problem is that an Alzheimer patient has to take medication thrice a day. She needs to take 1 blue, black, and black pill in the morning. Like, should I read the whole problem or is it
Yes,
available?
same doubt.
on the-
Okay, 1 second. In practice one, okay.
Practice.
Yeah, practice.
I think questions is
Might be
diff-
different.
Yes,
so-
yes. Let me scroll down. Maybe it can. It
Oh,
will
I
come.
don't think it's there.
1 second. You got the concept of simultaneous order matter without replacing with replacement, right?
Yes,
Everyone have
yes.
understood. Okay, fine.
Can I leave now?
Yeah, it's your choice. You can leave or you can stay here if you. I think.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you for joining the session. Let me. Yeah, you can tell me.
Okay,
I think I can
I'll
try.
read the.
Yeah, you
sure.
can read it.
So there are. She needs to take 1 blue and black pill in the morning, and 1 green and yellow pill in the afternoon, and
Okay.
1 blue and black pill in the evening. She
Okay.
doesn't know what color pills to take, but
Mhm.
she knows that she needs to take 2 pills, different
Mhm.
colored each
Mhm.
time.
Mhm.
Assume there are infinite number of pills of each color.
Mhm.
In how many ways can she take the pills each day? The order of taking pills does not matter. That is, she can take first blue pill and later black pill in the morning, or black pill first and blue pill first later.
Can you repeat last one?
Yeah, so
So I have pasted the question in the chat box if you want.
Cool. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Yes, an Alzheimer patient has to take medication thrice a day. She needs to take 1 blue and 1 black pill in the morning. Okay, 1 green and 1 yellow pill in the afternoon, 1 blue and 1 black pill in the evening. She does not know what color pills to take. Okay, I mean she forgot, but knows that she need to take 22 pills. 22 pills. Okay, 22 pills. I think 2 pills, right? I think there
No,
was
sir,
2.
it's actually 2 pills. There's
Okay,
some.
okay.
Yeah,
2 pills
It's only
each
2
time.
pills.
No. Assume that there are infinite number of pills of each color. Okay, how many ways can she take? Order of taking pills does not matter. That is, she can take first blue. Okay, black. Okay. See, see, there are 6 colors. Okay, of pills. Okay, and how many pairs will be there if order not matter? I think it will be 6 pair. 62.
Sir, isn't it actually 4 colors, sir, because it is morning also it's black and blue, and evening also it's black and blue. So isn't it black, blue, green, yellow? That is totally 4 colors.
Okay, there was 4. Sorry. You had 4 color. Okay. So see, yeah. Out of 4 colors of pair of 2 you have to make, that will be 4C2. You will study it in the next lesson. See, you can do it manually. Suppose I'm taking as first pair as blue black. Okay, so what color was blue, black, green and yellow, right? Yeah. Then another pair will be blue and green.
Yes, sir, this was my doubt. So from the question, I assume that the morning pills will have to be taken in the morning, and the evening pills will have to be taken in the evening. But based on this, it looks like we're not following that like idea or whatever, because we're combining the morning pill with the afternoon pill. I didn't realize that was allowed based on the question.
See, this I think these are the possible pairs. Okay, of different colors. Okay.
Yes.
See, in the morning, in the morning, you can say he has to take the medicine thrice in a day. So in the morning, he can she can take out of these 6. Okay. And in the afternoon, she can also take out of these 6. And in the evening, she can again take out of these 6. And each pair is different color. And she knows, I think, what is the question? Yeah, see, she knows that she need to take 2 pills of different color each time. Okay. Each time she has to take the different color. So
sir, it's written she doesn't know what color pills to take, but knows that she need to take 2 pills.
Different. See, these
different
2
color,
pills are different color. These 2 pills are different color. These 2 pills are different. Okay. So in the morning, she has 6 way, and in the afternoon, she has 6 way. Again, and in the evening, she has 6 way. So total number of possible ways will be 6 into 6 into 6.
Okay, so even though it's been classified into morning, afternoon, and evening pills, because she doesn't know which color, it's given that she doesn't know which color that she has to take, we can assume that there can be a mix and match.
Yes. And suppose there was a question like she knows that in the morning she has used, and she cannot use in the remaining 2 times. Then it will be 6 into 5 into 4.
Sorry, could you please repeat?
Suppose she knows that in the morning she has took the blue and black, and she remember, for example, she remembers she has took these 2 color pill. Okay, then she has 5 option for the afternoon.
Yes, sir.
And again she knows the then it will be 4, but she she forgot.
Yes.
So that's why she has 6 into 6 into 6. Okay. I think this is the correct answer, I think.
Yes, sir. 2 and 6.
Yes, sir. That is the correct answer.
Okay. Nice.
Sir, we can say this is
Thank
continuous thing.
Thank you, sir.
Simultaneous thing.
Simultaneous, sorry, yeah. It is simultaneous thing, right?
Yes.
And order.
And with replacement.
With
replacement, yeah.
And order matters.
Order matters.
Order doesn't not matter.
Doesn't matter, yeah. Doesn't matter.
Order doesn't, because she can take this one and this one.
This one, yeah.
Okay, so I think.
Sir, one small doubt in practice assignment. It's the algebraic question n minus 1 factorial upon n plus 1 factorial. You have to evaluate.
Okay. Can you tell me the equation?
It's n minus 1 factorial.
Okay.
Upon n plus 1 factorial. I have seen the solution, but
see, you know the factorial. See, suppose you have 5 factorial, so you can write it like 5 into 4 into 3 factorial.
Yes.
Okay, you can stop here. So similarly, you can write it as n minus 1 factorial here. Okay, n plus 1 factorial, you can write it as n plus 1 less than 1 number, that is n. Okay, again less than 1, that is n minus 1 factorial. These things will be cancelled out, these things. So your answer will be 1 upon n into n plus 1. Is this correct answer?
No, sir. The correct answer is 1 upon n minus 1.
1 upon n minus 1. This is n minus 1 factorial.
Hold on. I'm refreshing.
You
Okay,
can
my bad. It's correct, sir. It's correct. My bad.
correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I think we can close session. It's 2.5 hours.
So
And
my doubt that at least 2 people.
Okay. Suppose I'm saying at least 2 people. Okay. About that row. Okay, lines.
Yeah, lines.
Okay, got it. See, total number of ways was 128, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You have to subtract the 0 1, and you have to
Yes,
separate
sir.
the one people.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See, for one people, suppose in line 1 people, and line 2 there are 6 people. There can be, so it can happen in 7 way.
Yes, sir.
Because here suppose you have p, it can be p1, p2, p3, p4, p5.
Yeah, for each individual we have to take it.
Yeah. Okay. And similarly in line 2 1 person can be there, and line 1 it can be 6 person, so you have 7 way, so it will be, I think 14 will be minus.
14. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. So I think we can close this session. Crowds also. Okay, so
Thank you, sir. Good evening.
Okay. Have you understood the topics?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye, everyone.
Thank you. लोग किस समय गए थे वहां से आने के बाद अच्छा तो मैं इसी में हूँ पहना हुआ था मैं तो इससे पूछती हूँ तो नहीं जाऊँ
Hello. Hello.